ways that I make money on Google Maps. So what you want to do is you want to search for local businesses in your area. What you could be doing is you're trying to look for businesses that don't necessarily have a web presence, and you want to try to rank them on like the top 3, what they call the big 3 in Google Maps. So let's say I want a dentist in Shreveport, because that's where I'm currently living. And now, as you can see, you got your ads here, of course, but then you have the map of some doctors. Some dentists, and then you have these 3 that are listed. These are like the big 3 in maps. This is the first thing people see without having to click anything else. And most of the time, these 3 get most of the traffic. If you click on more places, then obviously you will have your list of all the dentists in the area. So one way to make some quick money doing this is you want to go down and you want to start trying to find listings that have this here that says own your own, do you own this business? Now that means that this business is not registered with Google Maps. It means that no one has actually put in the information to claim this business. So what Google Maps said that they were going to do is that they're going to start removing websites that haven't verified their business on Google Maps. So what you can do is you can call these businesses, let them know what's going on, and you can, what you do is you click on own this business, and basically it's just going to ask you some verification stuff, like what's the name of your business. You can type it out, and just basically some information. Now, when you finish all of this, you'll have an option to actually mail a postcard to the address from Google saying that they've been verified. Now, what you want to do before you do any of this is you want to go to the business, find the person who's in charge, or send them an email. It's better to do it face to face because I find like it builds better rapport. And just tell them, like, look, I was looking for dentists online and I noticed that your business isn't registered. And warn them that Google's going to remove their business page from Google Maps, therefore like making them not able to be found by customers. And this will really strike with them because they want customers. Obviously, they need customers to run their business. So by telling them that this is one way that that they can maintain their business and maintain their customers, tell them that you'll do it for like $75. And really easy. If they say no thank you, like okay, on your way. But sometimes they'll do this because most of the time the business is making a lot of money. $75 is nothing. So $75, $100. I've had some people say that they've charged $100 for it. But you go in, you do it, and you get Google to send them a postcard. Well, when they get that postcard, they will see that you followed through on your promise. Now, this is where you can get referrals from them to other businesses that also have this own this business link that they can be verified through Google, and you can keep making money doing this. Or you can take it a step further, and if you have knowledge in marketing or in website design, you can say, hey, since I did this for you, how about I manage your social media account or your website, or help you get ranked in those top 3 so that you can get more business and make more money. And because you did that the front end with the verification, they'd be more likely to do those types of things. But that's only if you have those skills. This is something that I'm building a business with, and something that I'm training to do, so I just want to share with you guys. If you want to know more about it, the information that I'm getting is from I Am Paul James. He's also a YouTube channel. He does SEO and things like that, and he offers a masterclass and a course on how to do this, how to make money. And they have customers and clients paying $1,500 reoccurring a month, and some people have like 15 to 16, even 20 customers. So they're making well over 6 figures a month doing this for businesses. And if businesses want to say, okay, well, we'll stop paying you, and all of a sudden their website shuts down, their customers stop coming, They stop ranking on SEO, and so they realize the importance of continuing with your service. And from what I've learned so far, like once you do this, once you set it up, it takes very little maintenance to maintain that business in that top spot. So if you all guys want to check it out, check the channel out, I'll put his channel in the description. It's I Am Paul James, and he teaches a course on this, and this is what I'm going to be starting my business with for my YouTube challenge, to try and make my first $10,000 extra 1 year, and then hopefully grow that to even more and start making full-time income doing this. Again, I'm working full-time as a teacher right now, pretty much hating my 9-to-5 job, and I want that financial freedom to do what I want, to have my life without boundaries. I want to go where I want. I want to not have to worry about money. I don't want to be the richest, but I want to be the freest. I want to be able to do what I want to do, travel when I want to travel, and I want to give my family the option to have the things that they want in life. So that's my business plan that I plan on doing. And if y'all want to learn more about Maps Mentor and the course, click down in the description. Paul James, I Am Paul James, has a YouTube channel.